Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to write influencer tips using AI agent. So let's suppose I'm an influencer coach and I want to keep sending tips to my students. Now doing this manually is a very time consuming task, so I'm completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI. Here I'm going to use my AI agent as OpenAI and then Slack. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection in such a way that as soon as I'm going to add a new data or a title in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, the tips related to that will be automatically generated with the help of OpenAI, and then with the help of Slack, I'm going to send this channel message. Now, if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to write influencer tips using AI agent. For this, I have created an automation workflow where I have built connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI and Slack with the help of Pabbly Connect. And now we are going to check this automation workflow once. For that, I will be adding an idea in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, and if the tips are automatically generated based on that title and then added to this particular Google Sheets spreadsheet and then sent to my channel on Slack, then this means this automation workflow is working fine. So here I am going to add a topic. I'm going to add a title. Here I'm going to add my topic ID, and then I'm going to add the title as tips for increasing story views. I'm going to wait for a few minutes and you will see that the message will be sent on my Slack channel, and then here we can see that in no time the tips are also added in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So here tips for increasing story views. Then we have hey there friend. If you are looking to boost those story views and keep your audience coming back for more, here's a tip. Consistency is the key. Engage your audience. Sneak peeks, leverage highlights, collaborate. Now let's quickly open my Slack channel, and here we can see that we have sent this message to the community on the channel which we have created on Slack. So here, this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to write influencer tip using AI agent. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Sheets, OpenAI and Slack with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, go with the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this Create Workflow button. And first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to write influencer tips using AI agent, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders which have been created, and I'm going to select this as AI agent and then click on create. So here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, an action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to write influencer tips using AI agent, which means as soon as I'm going to post an idea or add an idea in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, the tips or the content will be automatically generated with the help of AI agent, and then it will be automatically sent to my team on Slack. So here trigger says when this happens. So when I add a new idea in my Google Sheets spreadsheet and then action says do this, then create a content or tips based on this title and then post that or send that to my channel on Slack. So here in my trigger application, I will be taking Google Sheets, and then in my action application, I will be taking OpenAI, Google Sheets and Slack. So here first, let's quickly take my trigger application as Google Sheets, and then my trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, we are going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So this is my Google Sheet by the name Influencer Tip, and I need to make the connection between this particular spreadsheet and my Pabbly Connect workflow. So for that, first I'm going to add some title in this particular spreadsheet. So I'm going to add my topic ID as 01, and then I'm going to add the title as How to Build a Strong Visual Aesthetic. So here I have added my title. Now I want to send this detail or data from this particular Google Sheet spreadsheet to my Pabbly Connect workflow. And for that, what we have to do, we have to go towards this extensions, go to add-ons, and then click on this get add-ons. Here Google Workspace Marketplace will appear in front of us, where we need to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. And it is showing install because I have already installed this in my Google Sheets. But if you are doing this for the first time, make sure that you install this following the same process. Now here I have already installed this, and as soon as you install this, it will start appearing over here as Pabbly Connect webhooks. So next you have to go towards this initial setup. Now this box has appeared in front of me, and I need to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. Next, I need to enter this trigger column. So it's written, the trigger column will be a final data entry column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here my final data entry column or the last column or the trigger column is column B. Because as soon as I will add the title in this particular column, the complete row data will be sent to the webhook URL or my Pabbly Connect workflow. Here, trigger column simply means the final data entry column or the last column. I'm not going to add anything in this column C, but I will be updating this with the content which will be generated with the help of my AI agent. So here in my trigger column, I'm simply going to write column B. I hope this trigger column was clear to you. And now I'm going to click on this send test. You will see the test data will be sent successfully. Here you can see the data has been sent, and now to make this setup configuration, I am going to click on this submit. So here setup configured successfully. I have successfully added the webhook URL which I was provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow here in this Google Sheets spreadsheet, and now I have to follow one more important step. I have to go towards this extension, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then click on this send on event. So this step will make sure whatever data we add in future, it is sent to Pabbly Connect. Now I will open my Pabbly Connect workflow and let's check whether we have received these details or the data there or not. And if I scroll down, I can see that I have captured the response. The trigger column was column B. The title which we have added was How to Build a Strong Visual Aesthetics. The spreadsheet name was Influencer Tips. Now here, as soon as I have added the data in this column or the spreadsheet, I have captured that response here in this workflow. And this means the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, that is successful. And now whenever I'm going to add new title in this particular spreadsheet, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I am going to add a title in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, I want to create tips on the same topic. I automatically want to create tips on that same topic. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my action application as OpenAI, or I'm going to use my AI agent as OpenAI. And then in my action event, I'm going to select this as ChatGPT and then click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we need to enter the token. Over here in this help desk, we are provided with the hyperlink. So I'm going to open this. And it has taken me towards this API keys page. Now we have to create a new API token. To create a new API token, I simply need to click on this create new secret key on the top right corner. First, I have to name this API token. So let's say the name is testing. The project will be default project and the permissions will be all. After selecting all these details, you simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and paste that over here. As I have already an existing connection, I have created this connection multiple times. That's why I'm going to go with this existing connection and then click on the save. So here OpenAI is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the AI model and the prompt. I'm going to enter my AI model. In this dropdown, I can see all the AI models. I'm going to select this as GPT-4o Mini. If you do not find your AI model, simply toggle this button on off mapping, remove this AI model and enter your own AI model. Here, as I have my AI model, I have selected that. Next, I need to enter the prompt. So I'm going to enter the prompt in a way that here, this is my title from my Google Sheets and I want to generate tips on the same title. So I'll write my prompt as, so here I have entered my prompt, write an actionable influencer tip focused on content strategy for me. Make it fresh, practical and written in a friendly tone. Avoid generic advice. Here is the title. Please remove extra signs and symbols from the content. Here I am going to enter the title, but we are not going to enter this manually. Instead, we are going to use a method called mapping, which means we are going to enter the data from the previous response. Now here I have received the response from Google Sheets. When I click on this field, I can see this Google Sheets. And when I click on this, I can see all the response which we have received from there. Here I need to enter the title. So here I am going to enter the title as this. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the detail. Now after entering or mapping this detail, I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request and let's wait for the response. So here I have received the response, how to build a strong visual aesthetic. Here you can see the content which we have received. This is a clean, practical and a realistic content or the tips that we have received. Core theme and emotions, cohesive color palette, consistency is key. Don't forget to experiment with different layouts and style. So here I have received some tips and these tips are realistic, practical and trending. So now I want to add these tips in my Google Sheets spreadsheet and I want to send this same to my community on Slack. So here first I'm going to add this to my Google Sheets. I'm going to take my action application as Google Sheet and my action event as update cell value and then click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. Here, as I have already an existing connection, I have just created the connection in the above step. So I'm going to go with the save and Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. I am going to enter the spreadsheet. So the name of my spreadsheet is this influencer tips. The sheet is automatically selected. Then I have to enter the range. Here you can see that I want to enter this in column C. The row will keep changing as soon as I add my titles, but the column will remain same. So here I am going to enter the range in the same format. First I have to enter the column and then I have to enter the row index. So I will enter the column which is C and then I am going to map the row index because it will keep changing. So I have to keep this row index dynamic. Now I am going to enter the value which we have received in this message content. I am going to click on the save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. So let's open my Google Sheets spreadsheet. And here we can see that we have added this content in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now I want to send the same tips to my community on Slack channel. So for that, I'm going to click on this add action step button. And then I'm going to search for my action application, which is Slack. And then in my action event, I'm going to select this as send channel message and then click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Slack. Here I need to enter my token type. So it is written, enter the token type as either user or bot. Check the documentation to find out how to get it. I have entered my token type as user. I'm going to click on this save. Here I have selected my channel. I'm going to grant away the permissions. Your data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect, so you can do this too. Authorization successful. Slack is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the channel ID. Here you can see the channel ID is influencer channel. From this drop down, I'm going to select my channel ID as influencer channel. And then in this message, I'm going to enter the message content that we have generated with the help of OpenAI. The image, URL, image, all text, bot name, bot icon are not required fields. We are going to skip this. The auto expand links true, link user and channel names are true. Reply broadcast will be false. Thread message ID is not a required field. We are going to skip this, and then we are going to click on the save and send test request. So here we have received the response. Content or the tips are successfully sent to my Slack channel. So let's open my Slack. And here we can see how to build a strong visual aesthetic. It has been sent on the same channel. So in this way, I can share these tips with my community on Slack channel. You can either send a mail or you can post on Facebook, Instagram or WordPress. Now to summarize, we took Google Sheets as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We added the data or the topic in my Google Sheet spreadsheet and received that response here in this workflow. After that, we moved to the next step where we wanted OpenAI to generate the tips for us. So we took OpenAI as the AI agent and the action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, received the response as this content or the tips being generated, and then I wanted to add that to my Google Sheet. So I took my action application as Google Sheet, updated the cell value, and then I wanted to send the same tips to my Slack channel. So then I took my action application as Slack, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the channel ID, entered the message, and clicked on the save and send test request, received the response as this message being sent to my community on the Slack channel. So here we have successfully created automation between Google Sheets, OpenAI, and Slack with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.